Ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly attract women while others struggle for even a second glance? What's the secret to that magnetic charm and irresistible allure? Is there a trick to becoming that man who draws women in like a magnet? The answer is yes, there are proven strategies that can instantly boost your appeal to women. It's all about knowing how to play your cards right, making the right moves and hitting the right notes. Right now, you're about to uncover some exclusive insights. When I say exclusive, I'm referring to the 3 key attraction triggers that can make a woman desire to be with you. Pay close attention to every detail I'm about to share, because it's all crucial. Apply these principles thoughtfully and with genuine intent. Let's jump into the first factor. The first indicator that a woman might be interested in being with you is her need for validation. Here's the crucial point: women are often drawn to relationships or encounters that elevate their social status or make them feel like they're gaining something significant. Take a look at social media and the internet today. Men often gravitate toward explicit and provocative content, while women are more focused on social media, taking selfies and seeking validation through likes and attention. The woman you're interested in is likely aware of your intentions, and if being with you doesn't feel like a boost to her status or provide validation, she's unlikely to pursue it. To illustrate, let me share a story about my friend Jack. In his early 20s, Jack was seeing a woman but decided she wasn't a good match for him. After telling her that he didn't want to continue seeing her, he noticed a drastic change. She suddenly became desperate for his attention, even trying to undress and beg for him to be with her. Why did this happen? When validation or acceptance is threatened or removed, it often increases desire. Women often crave an excuse to be with men, whether it's due to competition, status, appearance, or other appealing traits. It's essential to present yourself as a valuable, desirable option in every interaction. If your presence doesn't seem like a win for her, it's unlikely to make an impact. Remember, the key to attraction lies in making her feel like she's gaining something significant by being with you. Point number 2, competition anxiety. This one is crucial, so pay close attention because I'm about to explain something more effectively than anyone else online. A woman's deepest fear regarding competition isn't just about intimacy, whether you're involved with another woman or whether you two are sexually involved. Instead, it's about the possibility of you falling in love with someone else. Here's the insight: I'm not a biology expert, but I do know that women are concerned about the risks associated with pregnancy. If a woman becomes pregnant, she'll face a long-term commitment of 9 months carrying the child and then raising it. On an evolutionary level, women are wary of being left without support, resources, and care. If you're a high-value man, the kind who offers status and validation, she doesn't want you to fall for another woman. Women are more likely to pursue you if they see other women interested in you, as this creates a sense of competition and drives them to emotionally invest in you. Her aim is to connect with you on a deeper level, not just sexually or chemically. Leveraging this competitive anxiety can give you more opportunities in the long run. You're clearly someone committed to self-improvement, and that's commendable. You've shown determination and a desire to grow. What you need now is a clear direction. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain a straightforward path to success in all areas of your life. Stick with us, and we'll guide you with the best strategies and knowledge to attract women effectively, no matter the circumstances. Our channel explores the art of seduction, understanding female nature, and comprehensive dating strategies. This is just the beginning of your journey to becoming a key player in the dating world. You're not lacking motivation, you just need the right knowledge and confidence in your approach. Thank you for your dedication. Now, let's move on. Point number 3, a woman wants kids. This factor influences her decision to be with a man. Yes, it might sound surprising, but the possibility of pregnancy plays a role. Pause and consider this for a moment. Women's biological clocks are always ticking. They scrutinize whether a man has his life in order, his job prospects, career stability, and overall setup. Women who are interested in investing in you value these traits highly. It's better to demonstrate that you have both stability and ambition. This helps in attracting women who are genuinely interested in a serious commitment. Consider these factors. What are the basic needs of survival in modern times? What would be the essential qualities for a man without contemporary comforts? Think about food, shelter, and overall provision. Building these traits shows your capability and enhances your attractiveness. Point number 4, always be evolving. Whether you're working on growing your business, sculpting your physique in the gym, or honing your skills in boxing or MMA, whatever it is, the essential point is that you should always be improving yourself. A man who is constantly developing and striving for excellence is more attractive to women over time. The crucial factor is that you are continually evolving, and when you grasp these 4 attraction triggers and understand the evolutionary power of constant self-improvement, you'll far outshine those who don't take this seriously. Maintain high standards for yourself and those around you, and remember to apply these principles in your dating life. Keep in mind, every man shapes his own fate, destiny, and story. No matter which path you choose, ensure it's one that leads to personal growth. I encourage you to gain knowledge and learn as much as you can before it's too late. Leave a comment saying, "I am a powerful individual who learns and grows daily." Stay tuned for an upcoming powerful video if you want to catch it. Subscribe to this channel. Check out the screen for a thought-provoking video on Stoicism to deepen your understanding of female nature. See you in the next video, and take care, my friend.